Fresh, living spring water straight from Mother Nature is especially high in a rare and mysterious phenomenon known as Ormus elements. Water from primary springs, which are the deepest and most ancient waters on Earth, contain the highest levels of Ormus, as do the highest mountaintop springs. Fresh morning dew, especially during a full moon, is also Ormus-rich, and there are even special spring water harvesting contraptions called vortraps that siphon off the water with the highest Ormus levels and leave the rest behind. So what is this strange, enigmatic substance that most people have never heard of? Well, although it's always referred to as Ormus, the original term coined in the 80s was Ormes, which stands for orbitally rearranged monatomic elements. It's a state of matter where the outer electrons form Cooper pairs and become whirlwinds of light, rotating at super speeds around an atom. And these whirling electrons that have become pure light set up a Meissner antimagnetic field, which creates a levitating force against the Earth's magnetic field. The free atom Ormus form of these 13 transition atoms is so light it's actually a gas, sort of an antimagnetic gas. Some say it's even a completely separate state of matter, a fifth state, solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Ormus. And when this state is achieved, the atom of matter becomes a photon of light. It can't bond with matter as it's no longer matter, it's light. Now, while much more research is needed into this field, it has been said that 5% of the dry weight of the human brain and nervous system are composed of ormic elements, and some Ormus researchers suggest that these elements can remain in a monatomic or diatomic state by hiding out inside of a calathrate or cage-like crystalline water molecular cluster. And we know that structured, easy, crystalline gel water forms icosahedral calathrate molecular clusters that make the perfect little geodesic homes for Ormus to hang out in. The more structured your water, the more Ormus it can hold, both in your body water and in your drinking water. In other words, crystalline water stores high-energy electrolytic light particles. It's epic, right? So if you want to DIY, you can raise the levels of Ormus in your drinking water just by adding high-quality electrolytes and then vortexing or flow-forming the water. But there's an even easier way to get Ormus-rich water, and that's simply by adding a high-quality Ormus supplement to it. Some believe that Ormus is just our modern name for what was sought by alchemists and sages throughout history for both physical and spiritual well-being. It was referred to as the Philosopher's Stone, Mana, the Elixir of Life, King Solomon Gold, and shoe bread in ancient Chinese, Hindu, Hebrew, and Egyptian alchemical literature. It helps with DNA repair, enhanced cognition, longevity, cellular regeneration, immunity, and perhaps most interestingly, delving deeper into your own spiritual consciousness. Because of its high vibrational energized spin state, Ormus is not just a physical tonic, but a spiritual one. People claim that Ormus allows for faster access to more highly tuned natural cognition and psychic abilities. Ormus is an energy accelerant, an amplifier of the light body that opens up gateways. So you can find my top Ormus recommendations in the supplements collection of waterislife.shop.